Hello everyone, welcome to today English lesson. Please introduce myself. My name is Irma Damayanti, and in this video, we'll practice the four essential English skills. The first is listening, the second is speaking, the third is reading, and the last one is writing. Our topic for today is daily activities in the past tense. Let's get started. The first material is listening. Okay, first let's practice listening. Listen carefully to following audio clip about someone's past daily activities. Okay.
Last Monday, I woke up at 6 a.m. I took a shower and had breakfast. I went to school at 7:30 a.m. In the afternoon, I studied for 2 hours. In the evening, I watched TV for an hour before I went to bed at 10 p.m.
After we listen the audio, let's answer this question. What time did the person wake up and what did the person do in the afternoon? I'll wait for about 30 minutes, okay? Okay guys, did you get the answer? The person, yes, that's right. The person wake up at 6 a.m. and study for 2 hours in the afternoon. Well done, yay! Okay guys, in the next material we have speaking. Let's practice speaking. Speaking helps you express your true and ideas in English. Here's an example of conversation about daily activities in the past tense. What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I woke up at 7 a.m. What did you do after you wake up?
I took a shower and had breakfast. Then I went to school.
Sounds good. I usually read a book before I leave for school. Now it's your turn. Try to have a conversation with a classmate or a friend about your activities yesterday. You can ask, what time did you wake up yesterday, or what did you do after you wake up? So the more practice, the better you'll get. Okay, next we will discuss the material about reading. Okay, now let's move on reading. Reading is a great way to improve your vocabulary and comprehension. Let's read a short passage about someone's past daily activities. I have a short passage. You can see. I want to read and repeat me, okay? Anna is a high school student. Last Monday, she woke up at 5:30 a.m. She had breakfast at 6 a.m. and then went to school at 7 a.m. After school, she did her homework and practiced the piano. She went to bed at 9:30 p.m. Okay. After we read it, let's read the passage again and answer this question. The question is, what time did Anna wake up last Monday and what did Anna do after school? I'll wait for about 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, so guys, do you have an answer? Alright, the answer is Anna wake up at 5:30 a.m. last Monday, and after school, she did her homework and practiced the piano. Great job! Now finally, let's practice writing. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and express yourself clearly in English. Here's a writing task for you. Okay. Let's see in the PPT. Write a short paragraph about what you did yesterday. Include what time you wake up, what time you did in the morning, afternoon, and evening, and then what time you went to bed. Okay, for the example, yesterday I wake up at 6 p.m. I had breakfast and then went to school. In the afternoon, I studied for 2 hours. In the evening, I watched TV and went to bed at 10 p.m. Okay, now try writing your own paragraph about what you did yesterday. And you can write in the comment. Okay guys, great job everyone. Remember, the more you practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in the past tense, the better your English skills will become. Keep practicing and make sure to have fun while learning. See you in the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye. Guys, next we are going to next material. There are simple past tense. So what is simple past tense? Today we'll be talking about the simple past tense. A tense used to describe action that happened and were complete in the past. Let's dive in. Yeah, welcome to my English class. And then what is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to describe action or event that happened and were complete in the past. For the example of sentence is, I visited my grandmother yesterday. That means that the action of visiting is finished and happened in the past. So there are simple past tense. Okay, next we have a structure of simple past. The first one is affirmative. The structure of affirmative is the first subject and verb to or past tense and complement. For example, she walked to the store. She as subject, walk as verb to, and to the store is the complement. Okay, next is negative. Negative have a subject, did not or didn't, verb 1, and complement. For the example of sentences is, they didn't eat breakfast this morning. Yeah, they as subject, didn't as didn't, and then verb 1 is eat, complement is breakfast in the morning. Okay, the last is interrogative. Interrogative have a structure, did, subject, verb 1, and complement. For example, did you watch the game yesterday? Okay, so we next to regular verb in simple past. Regular verb in simple past tense. There are two types of verb in the simple past tense. There are regular verb and irregular verb. Regular verb usually end in ed, like walk becomes walk, or or talk become talk. In the example of PPT, play become played, talk become talk, and the last watch become watched. Okay, so we next to irregular verb in simple present. Irregular verb in simple present. Irregular verb, however, don't follow this pattern. We have to memorize their past tense forms. For example, go becomes went, it becomes ate, have become had. Okay, next. it's the example of everyday context. So you can use simple past tense in everyday context. Yeah. The first example is she visited Paris last summer. The second is I didn't go to school yesterday. And the last one is did you see that movie last week? Okay. In the next is practice. Yeah, you must be practice to be perfect. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in simple past tense. The first is I played soccer yesterday. The second is he not go to the party. And the last one is they watched the match last night. So you got it? If you have an answer, you can write in the comment. Okay, I'll wait for about 30 minutes for your attempt. Alright guys, you got it? Okay, yeah, that's right. The answer is the first, I played soccer yesterday using ed. That's right. And the second is he didn't go to the party. Didn't, because simple past tense in the negative sentence using didn't, right? And the last one is they watched the match last night using ed. Alright, you got it guys? Okay, good job. Next is the conclusion. Wow, yeah, it's the conclusion. So the simple past tense is used for action that were complete in the past. Remember it? For positive sentence, use the past tense. For negative sentence, use didn't and base verb or verb 1. And for question or interrogative sentence, use didn't subject and base verb or verb 1. Alright guys. So, to sum up, the simple past tense is used to talk about action. Yeah. Okay. So, keep practicing and good luck, guys. And don't hesitate to use the simple past tense in your daily conversation. You can use simple past in your daily activities material in the before we start to discuss about simple past, we discuss about daily activities in simple past, yeah. So you can understand now. Thank you very much. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.